Hi, many of you ask how to change the HyperX Cloud Alpha headphone AirPod cushions. So today I will show you how to easily remove and then put the back AirPods on. As you can see, the stock AirPod cushions are old, ugly and affect the sound. New replacement AirPods can be ordered online. You will be able to choose between velour and leather types. Links to the new AirPods are in the video description. AirPods are easy to remove. Take the pod by one side and pull it off. It sticks to the headphones with the help of this groove. Once you have received your new replacement AirPods, before mounting, stretch the edge of the AirPod to make installation easier. The AirPod seam should be down. Insert as much of the AirPod edge as possible into the groove of the headphone housing. Hold the insert part with one hand and with the other hand pull the remaining edge into the headphone housing groove. It is important to keep the insert edge securely, otherwise it may slip out. Then rotate the AirPod in two positions so that the seam of the pod is down. Repeat these steps for the other side of the headphones until the AirPods are securely mounted. And that's it. This way you can also put on the new AirPod cushions and restore the comfort and look of these Cloud Alpha gaming headsets. And good luck!